Caspians, I'm back with another video for you guys. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Kaspa having a bit of a retrace, still holding that support level, sitting at 335 cent, $684 million in market cap, $10 million in 24-hour trade volume. I'm just diamond handing, man, just holding, waiting until the bull cycle. I'm not worried about short-term price action. And this is what a bunch of you guys should do, man. Make sure you got cash in your portfolio. Add to your stack, get a bag that you're comfy with, that you could afford to lose, right? And then you just diamond hand until the bull market is back, man, until we are in full bull market effect. The bottom of the crypto markets was already in last year when Bitcoin went to $16,000, $15,900. That was the bottom. So now we're going to be accumulation until huge breakouts. We're already getting so many bullish catalysts. You guys see the video I showed you yesterday, or not yesterday, day before, with Grayscale, spot ETF potentially being approved, and so many more ETFs that are pending. That's going to be crazy when institutional money gets into the space, guys. And in this video, we have Shy letting us know that 10 BPS mainnet could be sooner than we think for Kaspa, and that is absolutely amazing stuff. If this is interesting, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family, and watch until the end so you don't miss anything. So right now, before we get into the huge news, man, as you guys can see, Kaspa still respecting the lines that I drew, man. It hit that support once again at 328 cent, 33 cent, and it's starting to bounce off of it. We'll see what it does from here. Now obviously 36 cents is now resistance, but once we break above this resistance level and stay above it, you know, retest, stay above it, it's a continued uptrend for Kas. And right here we have from Shy, one of the community developers of Kaspa, keep your eyes peeled, Kas, big things are coming. FYI everyone, based on our overall progress, I think we should target a testnet 11 relaunch plus mainnet beta at the end of next week, or at least within the coming 2 weeks. So 10 BPS mainnet incoming in the potentially the next 2 weeks for Kaspa, right? This is gonna take the speeds of Kaspa to the next level. If it's already fast, it's going to be even faster to transact with Kaspa, guys. And remember, the goal of Kas is to be what Bitcoin was originally created for, which is to be a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, so you don't have to use fiat anymore, right? My goal is to get super wealthy off crypto and then go to El Salvador and just transact in crypto. I'm done with fiat. I don't want to see what dollars are. The government, the system already wrecked dollars as we know it, right? That financial system is done. I'm a man that lives on his words. I said I got into crypto for decentralization, and that's what I'm gonna be doing, man. Obviously I would like to get, you know, wealth from crypto, but the main goal is to be able to transact every day, grocery shopping, everything, to opt out of this system that we know is incoming when the World Economic Forum, all of these policies start to take place, all of these things start to take place. The goal for me, and what I think everyone's goal should be if you're in crypto, is not just to get wealthy, but to have that freedom and control of your money, right? And the more Kaspa gets closer and closer to the goals that it's set out to do, I see Kas become, like I said, taking that place of where Bitcoin was initially created for. Remember, now Bitcoin is considered a store of value, right? But it was originally created from Satoshi to be a peer-to-peer electronic cash system where you could use Bitcoin instead of fiat, right, to buy and sell, right? It still is accomplishing that goal, but it has complications. It has problems with that goal. Even in El Salvador, for example, transaction fees are high. Bitcoin is very slow, but that's where Kas comes in, right? Bitcoin could remain the store of value, digital gold. Kas could be the digital silver, where you could transact with Kaspa. Countries use Kaspa as legal tendency to transact with instead of using fiat, right? And this is huge for Kas. 2 weeks for 10 BPS mainnet, you know, that's pretty awesome, man. I have all the tweets, quote tweets, that we could go through as far as like the community reacting to like the 10 BPS mainnet announcement. But I also have some that I have specifically, right? Like from Moonshot Josh, 10 BPS inbound, 10 blocks per second. The game soon changes as Cas has raised the bar to a whole other level crypto has never seen before. Cas Nakamoto Consensus 2.0. Jim Skibum, Kaspa is about to raise proof of work bar further once again from 1 block per second to a staggering 10 blocks per second. Make some noise, it's about to get crazy. Setting a new world record in the industry. The first scalable stateless money that can provide a useful foundation for a scalable decentralized economy on the base layer. No lightning network needed. No layer 2s needed. On the base layer, you could have fast transactions and send back and forth on a proof of work layer 1 blockchain, which Bitcoin was originally created for, right? RV Crypto revolutionizing blockchain right in front of our eyes. Can't be more bullish on a project. And by BYS, come on, we're counting on you. And this is the thing, that is the same trend line that I have drawn on my trading view. And you know, like I said, we bounce from this trend line. That's a 2x once we break these resistances and, you know, test the previous all-time high. We break that, go into price discovery. That's a 2x, above a 2x, 150% move for Cas, man. You know, and then the previous all-time high at 51 cent could serve as support as we continue the stairway to heaven with Cas. Crypto macro, 10 blocks per second. They are years ahead of the rest. Kaspa Silver, while people panic or become impatient with their crypto investments, Cas continues to build. Cas is just getting started, so much more to come. CM Insane FOMO inbound. Crypto King, in my opinion, you should use this dip to DCA wisely. Cas. Moberg, it only gets better, doesn't it? Cas. The future is bright if you are a Cas holder from Stomac. And then we have from TN, good work, Cas. Interesting. TONY, Tony, it's getting close. My Kaspa friends mainnet beta is coming soon. Kaspa beyond the block got his eye emojis. Captain Sats, Conrad, the brilliant team keeps delivering. People on the sideline. Cas will write history soon. From Flo, Kumo, and News Kiyoshi. Buy now, cry later. Fam, big things are coming on the Rusty rewrite and development from Psy LV. Caspians, let me get your thoughts down below, man. Let me get your thoughts. Jimmy Pop, I will buy more Cas. Diamond 2 million. EJD KSO miner, which used to churn out $1,000 a month, is now making $100 USD a month. Developers should focus on making KSO miner more profitable as before. Only the way the people will take interest in Cas. But that's what happens, you know, EJD. As Cas continues to grow, you know, that's why it started out the way that it did, man. It started out with people being able to be profitable from GPUs, right? Now you gotta have those ASICs if you want to be profitable. You know, that's just how it is as the network continues to establish itself, man. Kaspa hash rate going parabolic from Karen, right? Cash hash rate continues going parabolic. August 1st, 3.2 PHS. August 31st, 16.81 PHS. That is genuinely mind-blowing increase in hash rate in just 1 month. Now up 422%. Let's take a look at this image, man. Now up 422% on the Kaspa hash rate from the first of the month to now, right? And these are the things you can't ignore, man. We have 10 BPS mainnet incoming very soon. The community is blown away by it. You know, Chase, Caspo, Nina's crypto economy, big news coming. You know, testnet 11 relaunch plus mainnet beta incoming. It is an amazing time, Caspians. And you know, the overall markets right now, the overall markets right now, you know, aren't saying much. Bitcoin made a nice little move back up because of the grayscale news, but it already started to retrace back down again. Look at that, it's right back where it started after the grayscale news. But that's just how it is when it comes to the markets, man. Buy the rumor, sell the news. It's gonna get to a point though where, you know, the overall market just starts its huge uptrend. It's just gonna be up and to the right, man. I have that image in my Telegram. Let me get the get to my Telegram. Let me get to my Telegram to show you guys. I have that image, man, and I'm telling you, you know, you can't ignore it, man. You can't ignore what's gonna happen very soon when it comes to the bull market, right? This is the image. Let me zoom in on it for you guys. These are the previous cycles, man. And as you guys can see, previous bear markets that lasted for a short time only had a short move up in price. Like right here, the previous bear market, which was around 2018, 2019, right? We had a 37-day bull run, but it was barely anything, right? You go back in 2015, the 2015 bear market, 386 days, and look at what that did, right? This is the longest bear market in history, going on for 600 plus days. So that means we're gonna see a 2017, 2018 type of parabola, right? And this is why I say that $1 to $5 Kaspa might, you know, just might happen. That $1 to $5 Kaspa could rear its head, man, at the top, the peaco top of the next bull market, right? The longest bear market in history of crypto existing. Okay, this is you can't ignore this these statistics right here. So that means when the bull run comes, it's gonna be the most parabolic bull run ever, and projects like Kas are gonna benefit a lot from it, man. You know, $1 to $5 Kaspa is not impossible at all. We just may see that in the future. Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself is in the description. Share with your friends and family. Tune into the live streams. Become a channel member. I'll catch you in the next one.